now we're on the ferry to Jaime. There's a small chance we might get stranded over there if the wind's high enough, so we're gonna try and come back for once. It's only gonna be a short day, but we still have other stuff to do. So cue the boat B-roll.
Boom.
Want you to feel my
So the plan right now is to go find Eldfell, the volcano that is it that way over there? Is that the volcano? Probably, maybe that way, or it could be.
That's it.
No, oh, that's it. Okay, that way. So we have around 2 hours, just in case we're trying to get the early ferry back, just in case the other one gets delayed. So we're gonna have to get our yacht on and get up to this volcano here. So wish us the best of luck.
We're climbing the volcano. I think that's it. We don't really know.
Hi. Once we got here, we went for a hike up a volcano. It was far. We went the long way.
How was the weather?
Very windy. It snowed a bit on top of the volcano, I think. And then it stopped.
That's pretty concise. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
It was really windy.
Yeah.
We went to the bonus grocery store on the way home and got some Doritos.
Yeah, I was gonna segue into that. What kind of Doritos did we get there?
They are sour cream flavored.
Whoa! I also got some toothbrushes because I might have left mine at home. So, yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome, everybody. You're welcome. Yeah, I am videoing right now.
Oh,
yeah.
great.
So we're off to Slanderfoss right now, which is a waterfall you can walk behind. It's a little breezy, so it might not be that pleasant of an experience, but an experience nonetheless. So. We're here. After experiencing the cold and drizzle of Slanderfoss, we decided we'd try and find a hot springs to warm ourselves up. No, that's why I bought mine. Oh, you're not gonna like the water.
Oh, is it slimy?
Oh, I'm skating right now.
But it's like, it's not rock.
No, actually it's kind of better than rock. That's a weird feeling. So we've made it to the hot springs. This is the secret hot springs because there's a lot of different people. Yeah, I guess not. It's a hot springs that we don't have to pay to. The water's not that clear. It's really cold everywhere except for that heat source over there, but it's not warm compared to here. I'm never leaving here. So, Mom, Dad, you can come pick me up right here because this is beautiful.
Can I touch the bottom?
I don't think so. I haven't been able to. Oh, it's cold over here.
It's only warm, like right here.
Yeah, this is my spot. Y'all can leave.
I'll just join you guys over here.
Peasants. Okay, what are your thoughts on this whole situation here?
I think you're about to drown.
Yeah, I can't swim. It's hard to tread water with one hand.
It's really cool.
It's
and
cool.
by that I mean it's hot.
It's kind of cold still. It's dirty.
It's not that hot. It's really dirty.
The bottom's
It's
slimy.
cool though. It's cool. We're by a mountain.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bottom is kind of slimy, but we are by a mountain. So I mean, it's positives and negatives really. After we finished at the hot spring, we decided we'd try and hike behind the hot spring to see if there's anything else to see. Oh, and we also flew the drone.
Like a waterfall in my head, like a river that is never running dry, like my favorite bar of chocolate, like a waterfall in my head.
After the hike was done, we decided to try and hit the shores of Vik, a black sand beach in the south of Iceland known for its extreme waves and amazing sand. What's up, guys? Alright, so I can't believe you did that. Shut up, it was great. Alright, so we're just leaving one of my favorite places on earth. Farewell, Vik. Farewell. That was, as you saw from the B-roll, the black sand beach of Vik. One of the most well-known ones, actually the most southernest point in Iceland. So that's as warm as it's gonna get. It's actually beautiful. Usually it's pretty windy and rainy, but it cleared right off for us. Not cloud-wise, but like precipitation and wind-wise. So that was beautiful. So we're on our way to our Airbnb now. Don't worry, we'll have another lava episode. And we're also gonna cook some pasta. So I can't. I'm sure they were waiting for the lava, but we're gonna cook some pasta too. It's gonna be great. Should be around 40 minutes. Our navigator here is getting things up. Wow, look at this view though. Views. This is what Drake was talking about. How's it? How's supper?
Fantastic.
That's good. Good. You was just saying that because you made it, aren't you?
I'm just really hungry, so
That's valid. That's valid.
everything tastes good.
So these are my final moments. I thought I'd spend it with close friends here. We're about to... Here, boy. Over here. Thanks. We're about to try and consume whatever this... Who made this? Some hot dog splits. Are you gonna plate them for me, or do I have to plate them? What? I had to plate my death?
Yes.
Could you please place one hot dog?
Do you want? Oh,
Oh
This one?
my god, it looks like a tentacle. Alright, yeah.
really?
Yeah, put it on there. What?
Well, like, I don't know. It didn't seem like plastic wrap, but like it's.
I don't know what I'm eating now. Flank shot, wait. Oh! And we're here. Hey, guess what? That wasn't our only episode. We're back for episode 2 of
Lava.
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 So we don't have to go over what they are because You should have watched our first episode, and if you didn't, you have to go back and watch it now.
And they're gonna figure it out right away.
Yeah, I mean, we do describe what.
So the first one is location. We're on the south coast of Iceland. Past Vik about a half hour. There's nothing out here. Not a single.
I mean,
thing.
there's a river.
There's a river.
Some sheep.
It's kind of nice.
Farm.
I think I'd give it a solid. Just because of the scenery, I'll give it a 3 out of 5.
I'm gonna give it 2 out of 5 because we're not rating scenery. We're rating location. 2 out of
that's
5 lavas.
That's what you think.
Next up, we have amenities. We don't have a microwave.
We don't. We do have a toaster. There is a dishwasher.
I mean, the other place had a
think-
dishwasher. No, it didn't.
I don't think it did.
Oh. And a coffee pot. Shower's not great though.
Shower's pretty bad.
Pretty weak.
Yeah.
My rating for this one's gonna be 3 out of 5 lavas.
I'll give
There's some things, but there's not everything. Some of it's not up to date. The toaster looked like it's been through
There's
at least
a
3 world
dishwasher.
wars.
I'm giving it 3.5.
All right.
Lava.
Moving on, value. So.
How much did we pay for this one, Nate?
Over $300.
Yeah,
Canadian.
that's pretty expensive.
Yeah.
And it's pretty tiny.
Value, I'm going to go 2 lavas out of 5.
I was going to say 1.5.
Oh. And finally, appearance.
And appearance, yeah.
So when we arrived, we had some complaints that our cabin was not wooden.
That's true.
Simply, I said that they didn't say the whole thing was wooden. The interior, as you can clearly see, is a wood variant.
Right.
I'll go 3.5.
I agree with that.
3.5.
3.5 lavas. High 5.
Nice. Alright, that's it for our second ever episode of Lava. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's episode in Dijupavor.
Is that where it is?
I think so.
It's 10:45 and it's still bright out, but we gotta go to bed.
I'm gonna make a cup of noodles first.
Cause there's a new day tomorrow, and it will always
Oh.
be better.
Tomorrow can always be better.
See you there.
Hope to see you tomorrow.